Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Aclimatate. Thank you for waking up with us on this Wednesday to report the weather for the 5 days in a row of holidays celebrating our nature festival in the city of Villavicencio. If you want me to be honest, the weather will be very varied. From the sunny day where you just want cold and the too cold day where you just want warm. Starting with Thursday, the sunniest day of this festival, the hot days continue. Thursday and Friday will probably be the last 2 days of the summer. Continuing with Thursday, the heat wave will be between 1 and 5 in the afternoon, reaching a maximum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius and with a minimum temperature in the morning and evening hours of 30 degrees Celsius. It's recommended to all Villavicenses to cover themselves well from the sun, apply a good layer of sunscreen, and stay hydrated with very cold water. Thank God the community pools will be open, so the best plans for today will be to be in the pool or at the river. Friday will have a maximum temperature of 22 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 14 degrees Celsius. It will be a cold day. The wind will be blowing very strong, so it's a perfect day to go out with your family or friends or boyfriend or girlfriend to fly kites. However, it will be very humid, so don't forget to take care of your skin. Saturday changes a little. I recommend you to get your coats ready if you are not cold lover. In the morning, we will be down in around 10 or 11 degrees, and the maximum will not rise more than 90 degrees. There will be strong storms accompanied will be electrical activity, so if you have an outdoor event, it's time to take it into account. We recommend staying at home with a good hot chocolate. And we continue lowering the temperature, and on the podium of the coldest days, Sunday is not far behind. There will be a hailstorm. For your safety, do not go out on the streets. Do not drive your car or motorcycle. The day will be very cloudy and it will be an opaque day. The temperature will not rise above 15 degrees Celsius and we will down with a temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. So get ready because it's starting a long winter. And we end the day on Monday. There will be a certain level of humidity, especially a level of 85%, and it will snow from early morning until night, with temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. It will be a perfect day to stay in bed, be very warm, and do you work and studies from home. So now you are aware of how forecast for these festivals. Have a good weekend. Bye.